Astro.com's exclusive channel related to Vedic astrology. Today, let's analyze Shrapit Dosha and its effect on a person's character and life. Please like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. In astrology, there are numerous auspicious and inauspicious yogas. The commercially minded people tend to instill fear in ordinary man's mind regarding inauspicious yogas. So, Shrapit Yoga is one among such infamous yogas. It is a common belief that Shrapit Dosha is present in the birth chart of a person who has done bad karma in their past life and has carried that curse to the present life. But it is proved from astrological studies that reality is far different from such notions. In Vedic astrology, every planet has a set of particular characters. However, these characters will be expressed in a person only if that specific planet is staying alone in their sign or friendly sign or in an exalted sign. If the planet is staying together with another planet or if staying in an enemy sign, then a person will exhibit different characters. Some planetary conjunctions will exhibit entirely different characters. Now, let's analyze how Shrapit Yoga is formed. The planets involved here are Rahu and Saturn. This dosha is found in a person's birth chart if Rahu and Saturn are staying together in one sign or if the Saturn's aspect falls on Rahu. Such persons will experience hurdles, uncertainty, conflicts, health issues, interruption or delay in marriage and problems in marital life. Saturn is the enforcer of justice. Saturn prefers simplicity and performs work slowly but perfectly. Rahu has an exactly opposite nature. Rahu represents greed, impulsive behavior, dishonesty, worldly gains and luxury. These two planets are present in everybody's birth chart. If these two planets are staying alone or independently in a sign, then that person will have a balanced state in life. But if these two planets are together, then that person may show impulsive attitude in the most inappropriate situation. Though they may have a sense of justice, in a demanding situation, they may become dishonest or may break rules. Instead of patience, they will show intolerance and waver when firm decisions are to be made. They will have a fervor to achieve success in life, but will not work towards it. So this way, Rahu will create hurdles in Saturn's fairways, and Saturn will produce difficulties in Rahu's ambitious ways. This is what a person with Shrapit Dosha suffers in his or her life. Majority of people don't know if they have dosha in their birth chart. If they know also, they don't realize what the actual dosha is about. Those who are aware of a dosha spends enormous amount of money to perform rituals which are beyond comprehension and suffer monetary loss. If a person knows about his dosha due to planetary conjunction in advance, then that should be considered as the most practical remedy. When a person is informed in a proper way about the imbalance a dosha can cause, then they can adjust their lifestyle and activities to prevent the negative effect of a dosha. They will be able to understand their flaws and correct their mistakes. A person will be able to overcome Shrapit Dosha by practicing patience, avoiding laziness, respecting elders and helping others without expecting anything in return. Chanting Mrityunjaya Mantra regularly is the best remedy for Shrapit Dosha according to authentic books in Vedic astrology. Thank you for watching this video. We will be back soon with another one.